Are you excited? Yeah. Hi guys, my name is Tabitha and this is my little boy Slater. Hi. Today we're going to be opening up this little marble run set, putting it together and telling you our thoughts on it. So let's get into it. Go ahead and pull those pieces out. The pieces have a Lego-like design to them, so they do stick together really well. And you do get a really nice poster style guide to help teach you how to put it together, and it shows you step by step. It comes with a ton of the little marble balls. All right, so now we're going to fast forward us putting this together and we'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so that was really pretty simple to put together. The hardest part is getting started and knowing where they want things placed on the bottom board, but really, if you can count the little pieces, it's a breeze, and he was able to help me a ton, so it was a lot of fun to get put together. And here's how it turned out. It looks so awesome. Pop this into the little helicopter, and then all you have to do is spin the rotor, spin it, and it will drop out into the bottom, and there it goes. How fun! All right, here, do more.
And when it's still down here, it's still right here.
Yeah, it goes around that way. Okay, try it again. All right, and spin the top.
Spin, spin.
Here it goes. Whee! So there you have it. This is certainly so much fun. It looks like there are 3 additional ways that you can put this together. However, it does not walk you through step by step, so you'll just kind of have to look at the pictures and figure it out. But this is so much fun. The ball rolls crazy smooth. All of the parts and pieces snap together really well. It feels secure and well made, and I mean, there's just so many fun attachments and pieces. It definitely created a bigger experience than I was expecting, so I truly love this, and I think that he does too. I can see him playing with this often. So if you guys were looking for a really great gift idea, this is an awesome option. I hope you guys love it as much as we do.